got another award. The Commandant of the United States Coast Guard has awarded the, what the hell am I awarded? Department of Homeland Security, the certification from the Commandant, the United States Coast Guard was been awarded the... When I got over there, they had those little skinny plastic needle nose type nozzles, so that if you had to get a little dab here or there, you could put those on. Well, guess what? They were in these little plastic bags, and you know how I am about bags. I want to be able to just grab one. I don't want to have to screw around. We're trying to get one out of a bag. So they're all out of the bags. Now, what I want to do, there's a few things I want to do today. One of them is I want to hook up this fan. This is a fan that I put together real quick so that when I'm soldering, I don't have to go crazy trying to dodge the solder. Because, let me find the right one here. Here we go. I know I marked them. Because when you're soldering, the solder has a habit of wanting to come to you. And they sell fans for that. However, what they want for them is ridiculous. Comes in a little plastic case that stands about the size of a cigar box, maybe. It's got a little filter in it, which isn't a hyper filter or anything. It's just a piece of cloth, you know. So, and I think the last time I looked, they were like 40 bucks, 50 bucks. You know what? I had this fan, and if I were to buy this fan, I think it's $15. I have a bunch of this, not a big deal. Put it on a little piece of wood. Now I don't know if I want to have it blowing at me to blow it away, or have it sucking. I think the blowing will probably be better. However, the better. I don't know if it'll cool down what I may be soldering. So I'm going to put it over there. I'll bring you guys over there, and then I'm going to decide, because I can just turn it around. It's not like it's a big difference as to which way I want to go. I mean, I can always, well, I don't want to make a project out of it. I can always hook it up to a vent so it's over me, but then it's going to be in my way. You know, I build my bench around me. I don't build my bench around things that I put on it. So, alright, I want to make a circle. Hold on a minute. This is a spot that I normally don't use for anything because this is in the way, which is a bracket to help hold the shelves up. So I really don't put much back there. So, right now that's about an inch away from the back. Now if I have to drill a hole in the back, I can. Meaning in the wall. That's not a big deal to put a hole back there. But I want to see how it would work like it is. So I can get this thing to stay. Oh, I had it on, but I didn't have it recording. Okay. Well, what I had done was, I didn't put a hole in back there yet. I tried it this way, blowing that way, and I had it 4 inches from the wall, just to see what it was going to do. There's no hole there yet. And I don't know if I'm actually going to put one there or not. And then I tried it the opposite way, so it was sucking and blowing out on me. Either way, it was like the smoke from the solder iron was confused. It didn't know if it wanted to go this way, or up to me. Either way. So it's telling me that I probably need a hole because the fan is doing what it's got to do. Now I'm really not ready to drill a hole. Even though I can put a little sliding door on it, then what? Every time I gotta do any soldering, I gotta remember to slide the door open or closed, which would be easy, but again, that's something I want to do. So I'm thinking of a small fan, so hold on a minute. Okay. So if I take a small fan, voila, voila. How many volts is this thing before we blow it up? Four volt, okay. Now on this light, right here, I can mount this fan. Again, I gotta have some room behind it, but I can mount the fan right there. So this here way, it'll be right above me blowing down. And I don't need anything crazy to do it with. So, I have different sizes in here as well. That seems like it may be the way I want to go. So what I need to do, what is it that you need to do? I need to get a black and a red, or a white and red, green or red, whatever. As long as I got a red one there, I'm happy. Okay. Just in case I need it. Now let's turn this down just a hair so it doesn't jump into full power. Okay, so we're going to put this one right here. And then we're going to put this one right here. Now there we go. This is the output. Let's turn it up to the 12 volts. Now I'm feeling it right now. So let's try something. What are we going to try, you ask? I'm going to fire back up the solder iron. I'm going to put a little flux on the solder to get a little bit more smoke out of it. A little more smoke. A little more smoke. We'll put that right there. And when this fires up, we're almost there. I'm going to take this fan and we're going to turn it around so it's blowing down. And I'm going to put it right about here because that's where the light normally fits because I'm usually above the light. Okay, so let's see now. Let's see if we get some smoking. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Yeah. Plus, it's a lot quieter. Okay, let's disconnect the power. Okay. These will hang those back over there. Now. I need a little wire. I need some wire. What kind of wire do I need? Is this going to be enough? Probably not, but we will see. I want to be able to tie it all up over here. So if this is up here, we'll say, and I bring it down to here, down to here, and then over to there. That's where we're going to, I'll tell you what, I think we're going to have it. I think this will do it. Yeah, I do. I just put a set of banana plugs on it so I can turn it on when I need to. What's this from? Do I have another set here? Wait a minute, what do we have here? Wait a minute, George. I hate to ruin that. But let's do it just to see how it's going to work. So let's get this up. Let's turn the solder right back on for a minute. Okay. Let me get some cheap heat shrink. Cheap.